hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. At reading is buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi pa meron pa tayong other channel, link is down below sa ating description box. So if interested, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga, wala tayong gender dito, mga mahal, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will, no? Like if you wanna claim the messages, okay, at gamitin itong guidance or not. So yun nga, no, aside from wala tayo ritong gender, wala rin tayo ritong zodiac sign, kaya naman, just take only what resonates, no? Kahit anong zodiac sign mo, welcome ka here, no? So ang gagawin natin ngayon, no, is kinda special. We will get, no, okay, into the thoughts of your person. If you have specific person on mind, you can focus sa kanya ritong face, okay, so that you can get his or her energy for you. Okay, I hope makuha natin yung energies niya, no? But yeah, we're gonna likely, gonna see, no, kung ano yung gusto niya ditong sabihin sa inyo, no, or kung ano yung nilalaman talaga particularly ng kanyang thoughts, no. Pero more likely, ano ba talaga yung gusto niyang iparating sa inyo, no. Those words that he or she is meaning to say or to tell you guys, okay? So, yun yung kanyang laman ng isipan, like ngayon, okay? Senti Sunday, okay? So, altogether, let's find out. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guides, para sa palagiang presence ninyo sa reading ni Collective, can you please show me what's inside this person's thoughts and feelings for my collective? This person, they are thinking right now. What does this person has to say to Collective? Can you please show me? Oh, that was fast. Let us see. Okay, nakuha natin agad. So, meaning to say, ibig sabihin, iniisip niya talaga kayo rito ng matindi. So, we have here for you guys, Ace of Swords. Definitely, communication, isn't it? Okay? This person is wanting to communicate to you, but now telepathically, this person right here, no, is telling me na gusto kanya ritong makausap. Okay? Gusto niya rito na ipagtapat rito yung ano man yung gusto niya ritong i-explain, okay? But more likely nakikita natin dito, no, na ang pinakagusto niya talagang sabihin sa'yo, no, is with this skill dito sa sword na to, no, is that mahal kita, I love you. Yan. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, ang pinaka-importanteng gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo ay mahal kita, I love you. Yan. Aside from that, this person right here wants to tell you Three of Swords, no? Pero Five of Swords ito. Okay, bakit ko sinabi yung Three of Swords? No? Because nag-flash yun sa aking mind right now. This person right here is hurting. Look at the blood sa dulo ng blade ng sword or ng espada. So definitely, this person right here is hurting right now. Trying to fight this loneliness, this feeling. Nalulungkot ako kasi wala ka sa aking tabi. Hindi kita nakakasama ngayon. Pinipilit ko na hindi ito ipakita sa harap ng iba, pero mukhang hindi ko na ata kayang itago pa. Okay, Three of Swords is number 3, Five of Swords is number 5. When you add it, 5 plus 3 is 8. Wala tayo dito sa subject ng math. Pero because 8 is the number, I do pick up that this person here is being truthful. I'm picking up that this person right here, no, wants infinity and beyond with you guys, okay? However, 8 na naka-invert ay infinity symbol or infinity sign, isn't it, okay? This person with the top cups energy, definitely, okay? I want us back together. Gusto ko magkabalikan tayong dalawa. Gusto ko bumalik tayo sa kung paano tayo dati, yung wala pa yung problema, nung hindi pa dumadating yung isang matinding pagsubok na nagpahiwalay sa ating dalawa. Yeah, this is definitely here someone na hindi mo nakakasama ngayon. But look at that. This Senti Sunday is definitely talagang nagsisenti siya. Yeah, this person here really loves you. Okay? This person misses how you caress his or her hair. I'm seeing you right in here. Or maybe siya yun. Baka hinahagod niya yung hair ninyo or kayo yon, no? Or kayo ito na parang you pat his or her head, okay, to give him or her comfort, no? Nami-miss niya yun. Yeah, definitely. This person here is missing you right now, okay? We also have here the Four of Swords energy. Okay, bago ako matulog sa gabi, ikaw ang aking iniisip. Okay? Dahil gusto kitang mapanaginipan. Kaya ikaw ang huli kong iniisip bago ako matulog sa gabi. So definitely this person right here is confirming na iniisip niya pa rin kayo. Kahit na kayo ay magkalayo ngayon. Kung sino man siya, no, hindi ko nakikita na super layo niya, physically far from you, pero nakikita ko rito na yung super layo na yon ay ang gap ng inyo ritong emotions. Possible na nagkalamat kasi, sweetheart. So I do not know what's really your story in details, but I do pick up that this person here is someone na ito yung gusto niyang iparating sa inyo. Unang-una pa lang, nakuha na natin, mahal kita, I love you. Yan. Okay. So aside from that, we have here the death. See, you're in separation, just like what I've said. Okay. You're not together with this person right in here, no? But here, okay, look at that. This is number 4. Gusto niyang buhayin yung dreams, no? And when you add 1 plus 3, what will you get? Isn't it the number 4 also? Okay? So meaning to say, 4 is the number of that foundation. 4 is the number of that marriage arc. Kaya naman, this person right here, the death, okay, gusto niya ditong buhayin ang inyong connection once again. So this person is someone na nakikita ngayon yung inyong kahalagahan, yung worth ninyo, yung value ninyo. This person wants to revive, gusto niyang i-CPR ang inyo ditong connection. So definitely, gusto niya talaga ditong magbalikan kayong dalawa. The death energy right here, no, is also, alam mo yung napipick up ko sa kanya dito, gusto niyang sabihin sa inyo guys, no? Okay, habang hindi niya kayo nakakasama, parang pakiramdam niya, no, pinapatay yung puso niya rito, no? Or yung iba, no, is likely na parang sinasabi rito, no, na parang feeling ko, patay na ako dahil hindi ko nararamdaman yung pagmamahal mo. Yan, no? So, parang nagiging manhid na siya ngayon, no? Sa kanya ritong mga nakakonect, if meron, no? This person right here is definitely longing for you. Okay? But for a lot of them, wala talaga silang kakonect ngayon because this person right here is wanting you, only you. Okay? So, we also have here the fortune's wheel. Definitely, gusto kong ibalik yung oras. Gusto kong pakialaman yung malaking orasan ni universe at iikot ito pabalik, you know? Nang sa gayon makasama kita muli. Nang sa gayon hindi ko nagawa yung pagkakamali na sumira sa ating dalawa. Yan. Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to with the fortune's wheel, willing talaga rito, no? Na bumalik, makipagbalikan sa'yo, makasama ka muli, mga ganon, no? We also have here this magician. Okay. This person right here is ginagawa niya rito step by step or process by process rito, no? Naayusin rito ang inyong connection. Probably you do not see this, but with the magician energy, okay, parang gusto niya ritong ipakita sa'yo, no? Nagagawa ako ng effort para maibalik tayo ulit sa dati. Baby. You know, I do not know, I just heard baby, no, pwedeng baby yung tawagan ninyo, babe, excuse me, or meron kayong ibang tawagan, no? Mahal ko, asawa ko yun. Bebe, you know, mga ganong klase ng energy. Okay? So, maliban dyan, we have here the world, excuse me, you are getting major arcanas right here for this person. So definitely, gusto niya talaga ditong pihitin at nagmamakaawa na siya kay universe dito. With the world card energy, this person nagmamakaawa akong bigyan mo ulit ng isa pang pagkakataon ang ating pagmamahalan. Yan, no? Buksan ulit ang iyo ritong mundo, hindi lamang mundo, pati na ang puso mo para sa akin. Number 21 could be somewhat special here for you guys. Might be dati ninyong number, anniversary number, daysary, weeksary, monthsary. Pwede rin namang birth dates ninyo. But the strongest, okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. Definitely, this person right here wants reconciliation with you. Okay? We also have here for you guys the strength. Okay? Nanghihina ako ngayon dahil hindi ko nakakasama yung taong minamahal ko. Okay? Wala akong lakas ng loob na gawin yung mga bagay dito dahil ikaw yung nagpapalakas ng loob ko dati. Ngayong wala ka na, hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yung mga bagay dito. Parang yung energy niya rito is you support him or her kahit ano man yung sinasabi niya. Kahit yung mga simpleng bagay na ginagawa niya, you always make sure that you support him or her. But now you're gone. You're out of his or her life. Yeah. She's gone. Out of my life. Yan, oh. He's gone, she's gone. At ang gender dito, LGBTQs, pero this person is longing for you. Wala raw siya ditong lakas, nanghihina siya dito. Okay? Dahil wala kayo sa kanyang feeling. We also have here for you guys, the devil. Possible na meron dito na third party na naging dahilan. Doesn't have to be na tao lang yon because this devil also gives me a signal, no? Na possible na meron ditong nag-interfere, pwedeng sarili niyang desisyon, pwede namang pangarap niya, desire niya, basta may pumagitna sa inyo rito, no? Na posibleng yun yung mas pinili niya rito. But more likely with this number 15 could be birth dates ninyo or special number right in here, no? But with that number 6, 1 plus 5 is 6. That is a spiritual number here, no? Okay? Of soul, definitely nakikinig siya dito sa intuition. And this is also like an energy of wanting to pursue san man daanin. Parang gagawin ko ang lahat, ano't ano man ang mangyari. Maibalik lang tayo sa dating tayo. Ayan, no? So, may ganong klase ng energy. For the bottom of the deck, okay, look at that. The sun in reverse. Hindi ako masaya nang wala ka sa piling ko at sa buhay ko. Yan, no? Parang magkakaroon lang ulit ng kulay yung buhay ko at mundo ko kung nandito ka ulit. Seven of Swords energy, inaamin kong lahat ng mga kasinungalingan ko at humihingi ako ng pasensya sa'yo. Yan, no? Na nagsinungaling ako rito, no? At naging dahilan upang ikaw ay maging dismaya, no? Or maging dismayado dito, no? Or hindi magtiwala sa kanya. So definitely inaamin niya nagsisinungaling talaga siya rito, no? Dati sa inyo, no? Or may panloloko, deceit, cheated on you might be, no? But this person right here is someone, okay, giving me the vibe that he or she is admitting yung kanyang mga pagkakamali. The star card energy, which is ilalagay natin sa center ni ito, no? By the way, this is the bottom of the deck na ibig sabihin, pangarap ko ulit na muli tayong magkasama. Etong dalawang jar na yan na hawak ko ay ang Two of Cups. Okay? So definitely, no, hangad niya rito or kagustuhan niya rito, no, na pagsamahan kayo ulit ni Universe. And na-mention ko sa inyo yung inverted na infinity symbol na and we've got number 17. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay? We also have here again na naman yung infinity symbol. So definitely gusto niya talaga ng infinity and beyond here with you guys. Knight of Pentacles energy. Okay? This person here is apologizing, humihingi ng tawad or pasensya sa'yo dahil medyo na-late siya sa kanyang pagbabalik. Pero eto na siya, yan o, muling magbabalik sa piling mo. May energy siya dito na parang may nagkasakit siya. Mention niya rin yun sa inyo, no? So, pwedeng hindi naman ito malala or whatsoever, no? Um, parang ito ay bagay na okay naman na siya, ganun. Okay? parang nagawan din ng solusyon 'no. Maybe this person here undergone a surgery pero okey na siya, may gano'ng klase ng energy, maaaring malaman mo 'yan. Pero yung iba maaaring nagkakasakit siya 'no, dahil nga namomroblema siya rito 'no, kung papaano kayo muling magkakaayos. And last but not the least, okey, inumpisahan natin ng I love you, mahal kita at tinatapos rin ito 'no, ang reading natin ng King of Cups energy, okey? Mahal kita, walang iba. Yan. Kung may third party man, ibig sabihin maaaring inalis niya na yun sa buhay niya. So, ito yung nilalaman ng thoughts ng person mo here, okay? Ngayong Senti Sunday for you guys, no? So, nakikita natin dito, no, na itong thoughts niya na to, alam ko ang tanong niya rito, kung yan ba ay kanyang paninindigan or yan ay nilalaman lang ng kanyang isipan. Sa nakikita ko, hindi. Dahil pabalik na talaga siya rito with the Knight of Pentacles energy at ang ating nakuha ritong center, no, na reading ng reading ninyo ay ang the Star card energy and the number 8. So definitely this person here is already heading ang kanyang way dito. Actually, ang pinakaplano niya rito, no, is magkabalikan kayo bago magpasko, okay, or bago mag-New Year para naman happy ang pagsalubong niya rito, no, ng susunod na taon. So definitely, if that's the case, ibig sabihin expect some kind of movement or actions 'no, na gagawin niya 'no. Puwedeng ngayon na, puwedeng mamaya, puwedeng bukas rin 'no at sumakalawa. Pero ibig sabihin nun kung 'yan ang plano niya 'di ba, ang salubungin ng Pasko or Bagong Taon 'no na kayo na ulit, ibig sabihin gagawa na siya 'no, anytime, any day from now 'no, ng action towards you. So yeah, wow! So bahala na kayo kung anong gagawin niyo diyan, pero yan ang nakita natin dito sa iyong person. So yeah, thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on me. Saranghae, love and light. Annyeong.